Compressed wood pallets are manufactured and designed as an alternative to standard wooden and plastic pallets. Made from materials ranging from recycled wood chips, wood sawdust, wood shavings to byproducts of sawmill, these pallets could be produced to be eco-friendly and in compliance with ISPM 15 guidelines for wood packaging. The compressed wood pallet production line consists of chipper, crusher, dryer, glue mixer, and compressed pallet machine. Let us witness the production process together. Firstly, those wood chips stored in the silo will be conveyed to the wood crusher machine. After being crushed, the sawdust will go into dryer and the excess water will be removed. In the meantime, the temperature is strictly controlled by the panel. Afterwards, the dried wood sawdust will be taken to the cooler, which aims to cool down its temperature, and then this cooled sawdust will be kept in the silo. In the next place, the wood sawdust and glue will get accurately weighed and mixed by the metering electric sawdust glue mixer. In the following step, the compressed wood pallet making machine will make molded pallets with the mixed wood sawdust. The time relay and temperature controller on the control panel will monitor the pressing time and temperature. Once upon the pallet is completed, the upper mold will be lifted and separated from the pallet, while the lower mold will lift the finished pallet for access. The following machines are on the process of holding pressure and curing for the pallets. At last, let us show you different types of wood pallets and boards made by our compressed wood pallet making machine. The mold size and pattern can be customized based on your request. Next, please enjoy the instance of our compressed wood pallet making machine production line in India. ZZ Crystal focuses on the research and development, design and sales of woodworking machines. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management. Quality first is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZ Crystal welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.